Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Finishing up today, explaining the last of the challenges, but today's video is a little bit different, a little bit of thoughts on how I am thinking. So stay tuned to the end to see two of the solutions, two ways to do it for challenge 7, walk around the block. So all right, how to decide which direction to go in. That's kind of what I've been really focused on. The two things that I really look for is which one scares me indirectly. Then I realize, like, if I'm stuck, I'm going, oh, well, that answer really scares me. Well, that then in and of itself is my answer. Then that's the one I got to do. Like when I was on the fence about should I go and stream over on Free Code Camp. Well, it scared me to death. So then I knew I needed to do it. And the other that I've really been hyper focused on is things that are counterintuitive. And I'll give you an example of what I mean by that. I call it slow down to speed up. You might say, how in the world do you slow down to speed up? Well, it's not your first thought, but it eliminates all the mistakes, all the waste. It is perfect. It is done right the first time, and then you move on. And the end goal is you have now completed that task faster than you had been before at your certain pace that you were rushing through. And I really focus on that word rush. I hate rush. You can move quickly, but the minute you start rushing through things, that is going to be laden with mistakes. So those are my thoughts on that, and those are the things, and that's one thing that I'll always share with you guys is things that I'm working on, so you can understand how I'm thinking, where I'm looking, where I'm going. So all right, that's enough ramblings for an old guy. Here we go. Now, all right. So I'm always willing to show you the junk that I first get done, and then more elegant ways. So all right, first, and both of these examples have the test of the time. You don't have to do that. You can just leave it as, do you end up in the same spot at the end of the walk that you did at the beginning of the walk? So you can just omit this part right here if you want to leave that out. So what I did is I basically took a X direction and a Y direction. So my north and south were index 0. My north and south would it be, so if I went north, I did a +1. If I went south, I did a -1. +1, -1. Same thing with my east and west. +1, -1. So if I go over east 2, I need to come back west 2 to make sure I'm ending up in the same spot, and same thing. And the order does not matter. You can change it all around. You can go east, west, north, south, or north, east, south, west, and you end up back. I think I gave that as an example, as a kind of a hint to you that you do not have to test if it happens in a proper order. Order doesn't matter. So all right. Now, after I thought about it, came back, taught it a few times, then I go, wow, that was really clunky. There's got to be a better way, and I came up with a better way. And I would love to find this somewhere. And if you guys want to drop down down in the comments your solutions, or even over on Discord, because we're growing on Discord and really like the community. But all right, so walk is going to be a list. Assume it's going to be a list. So then we take this and we count. So then does north and south equal each other? Does east and west equal each other? And then right here I just take the length of our walk list, assign it to dis for distance. Does time and dis equal each other? Return, boom. So these all have to be true to return. All right. So there we go, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests down below, and make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.